Head of Facilities, Bharti AXA General Insurance, Bangalore. Congratulations, Vijay, first of all, for winning the award, and how do you feel about it?
Thank you so much, and it is really a pleasure that people have identified the individual on facility management grounds, and I thank the jury and also all congratulations to all the awardee winners. We work as a family, and it's quite we are happy to get this award. Yeah.
Since you are the head of facility, a lot of people follow you, and a lot of young people are also joining facility management. What do you think is one thing which keeps you motivated, which keeps you driving, and it could be a great source of learning for others as well?
See, basically, administration and facility management thing, is a art. So it's not a completely professionalized work, but you need to have a lot of passions to serve people. It is that you give facility to the employees. So if you have a motto to help people give services, then it's a right forum to come into facilities team and work with for the organization. Yeah.
So I'd like to know a little bit about your career. How did you become a facility manager, and how did it all start about? And how was the journey?
You see, in 1998, I started my career with a construction company called Shriram Properties. I was just that was a breakthrough, but it is not on a hardcore on administration or facility management. It's a construction company where we used to work as a customer care executive, where the passion started from there. We started serving the in construction company, customer service is a vertical where the handing over and taking over the property is main criteria for them. Yeah. So normal loopholes of the apartments handing over. So that is the main motto when I wanted to move into administration and facility manager, where I can serve people.
Okay.
So then I moved into a company called Way to Wealth. Way to Wealth is a subsidiary of Cafe Coffee Day Group. And from there I started my career. Now and then again started with Religare. I worked for Religare Securities for another 5 years. Now with Bharti AXA General Insurance, it's successive second year. Okay. So we need to continue in the same line of facility management.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'd like to know what is your one thing which makes you always fit for the job.
I'm sorry. Can you?
One thing which makes you it's like fitment reside. You see. What makes you fit for this kind of a job? This kind of a job really calls for,
I am early to bed and early to rise.
Okay.
I end my day at 10 at home, and I start my day at 5 o'clock in the morning. So I hit the gym for 1 hour in the morning, and then it's a relaxation for me. If I don't go to a gym, so I don't feel fresh.
Okay. So early sleep, early wake up, and then go to the gym. These are three things which you are following disciplined manner.
Yes.
A little bit about the family. How do you manage them? Because your kind of a job requires actually at work at any point of time, and it could be you cannot just say that I'm only 5 days of work or.
So see, basically administration and facility management is a 24/7 work.
Yeah.
You have to be attentive and available all the time.
How does your weekend looks like?
Weekend, see, normally we plan our activity in such a way that weekend will not be affected.
Okay.
In some way, unfortunate things happen. We have to be available. Even my family knows about it, so there is no complaints from the family also on that.
One of the most challenging tasks which you have done as a facility manager, if you'd like to share with everyone, and how did you actually handle it? It could be a recent event. Was really challenging?
The challenging is building up a new setup in Pune, because Bharti AXA General Insurance sector is a financial retail sector where the turnaround time for the upcoming of the branch is very important. So we had to open a 100-seater office within span of 25 days.
And how did you do that?
Yeah, which was challenging for us, and we were day and night we were working on that with support from the vendor also. Okay. So that's a change. Yeah, we were able to do it on 23rd day itself.
Awesome.
Yeah.
23 days and one office coming up.
Yes.
So I'm now moving to a rapid fire question round, and this question is gonna be 6 easy questions which you have to answer in 1 or 2 words. Don't elaborate the answer.
Okay, done.
Okay. If you're not a facility manager, let's say, what were you would have been?
I would be a cricketer, sportsman. Yeah.
Awesome. What is one thing that you dislike about being a facility manager?
Nothing.
Nothing. On average, how many hours you are at work?
14.
What is your number one stress buster?
I play cricket.
Who, according to you, is the hottest actress?
Deepika Padukone.
Everyone likes your Deepika Padukone. We have to get Deepika Padukone to for this forum next time. On an average, how much time do you take to reply any?
It depends on the mail. It's maybe 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay, which item song do you like the most?
I don't like item songs.
This is not the part of it. Okay, now Vijit, it was wonderful talking to you.
you.
And it's Mr. Vijit who is the head of facility for Bharti Extra General Insurance Bangalore, and it's been great learning from him. I'm sure we are all excited to know more about him.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir.
Thanks.
Great. Bye bye.
Hi, I'm Shrikant Acharya and I'm the CEO of OffiNeeds.com. We help businesses to plan and purchase office stationery and daily office supplies.
Hi, my name is Gautam. I'm the founder of Neosystic. We help more than 500 plus companies go green and do water conservation.
If you watched this interview and you really liked it, you should visit www.fmwalloffame.com to watch several more interviews like these.
Do not forget to like, share and comment.